Question number 22 gives us the equation x squared plus y minus 6 squared equals 14. And letter A asks us whether this is a circle or a parabola. If you can recall, the standard form of a circle is going to look like x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals radius squared. And notice in this equation the x value is squared, just like the standard form of a circle, and the y value is also squared, just like the standard form of a circle. So this must be a circle. If it were a parabola, then the y value would not be squared. Letter B says the center is, they want us to tell them what the center is. If we look at the equation, we can see that the h value is not specified here. There isn't a value for h, so h must be 0. So in this case, the h value is 0. And then remember the k value comes from this part of the equation. We reverse or flip the sign. So the k value here is positive 6. So since our center is at h comma k, the center must be at 0 comma 6. The radius of the circle is found from this number right here, 14, but that's not the radius, that's radius squared. So radius squared is equal to 14. So to get the radius by itself, we square root both sides, and we end up with the radius being equal to the square root of 14. Now in this question, you do not have to change it to a decimal. You could just leave the radius as square root of 14. Letter D is asking us, how do we change this equation into standard form? And if you look at this, this is called the general form of a circle. We have a squared y value, we have a squared x value, but it doesn't have any form that tells us what the center is or what the radius is. So we've learned in class that to get this general form of a circle to standard form of a circle, we actually have to go through the process of completing the square. So in this case, to change the general form into standard form, you would complete the square. And that would give you a circle form that would show you what the center of the circle is, as you see right here, and what the radius is.